So now I'm going to do another calculation example for the slope of a line. We're going to find the slope of the line through the following 2 points. -3, 5 and 1 comma -2. So as before, I'm going to start by writing down my definition, which is the slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by my x2 and my x1. Right? So our slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And now I'm going to label my points. This is my x1, this is my y1. This is my x2, this is my y2. I do that just so that I can do one thing at a time and I don't overload my brain with too many things to focus on. That way when I'm inputting the numbers into the formula, in my mind I can relax a little bit and not be like, is this y2, is this y1? Which point is my 1 point and which point is my 2 point? By doing it this way once, I can relax a little bit. Now, y2, -2 minus my y1, which is 5, divided by my x2, which is 1, minus my x1, which is -3. So we have -2 minus 5, which is -7, and we have 1 minus -3, which becomes 1 plus 3, which is 4. So this then is the slope of the line that passes through the points -3, 5, and 1 comma -2. Now I want to draw a little picture here to capture what this line might look like in our imagination. And I'm going to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is my x-axis, as you know. This is my y-axis. So now I'm going to plot my first point. We see that the x-coordinate of my first point is -3, so that would lead us to indicate that we would go -1, -2, -3, and then 5. So we would have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there, at -3, 5. That's our first point. Then for our second point, we're going to go 1 in the x and -2 in the y. That means we're going to go 1 in the positive x direction and 2 in the negative y direction, which gives us this point here. So now we have the 2 points that make up our line. We can connect them like this. And this then is a cartoon that represents our line. And going back to our interpretation of the slope as the rise over the run, this slope that's negative means that for every run 4 units in the right direction, we get 7 units in the down direction. Yes. And there we have it. This example of finding the slope of the line through the points -3, 5 and 1 comma -2. See you soon.